It is the Porta-potty Cube 335. Oh, sorry, love.
Alan, where are we?
We're in a different country.
Wow, what country are we in?
Welsh Wales.
And where are we going?
We are going to an exotic island called Anglesey. Bit of work.
There's Oscar.
And then a bit of relaxation.
Yeah, baby.
Come to this place in Anglesey where Kieran and Alice mentioned on their last video. Look at this little fella here. What a bizarre place. As you can hear, someone starts the engine. Been in a world war. So what I was trying to say before the planes interrupted was we watched Kieran and Alice on their latest video on here.
Yeah.
And no, talking to the camera
there. Sorry, lie down.
So yeah, we seen them on their latest video come here. And I've just been to do a job down the road. So I just thought we'll come and have a look at this, and then all of a sudden these fucking planes. It was like World War II. There's planes everywhere. So just gonna sit here and have a. What are we having?
Fish finger butty.
We're having fish finger butties and a brew, and then we'll head over to a campsite later.
Huge for fish fingers.
How many have you got in there?
10.
10 fish fingers.
Yeah.
Rock and roll, baby. Fish fingers on the ridge monkey. Yummy yum. We're expecting action because this net here, they've just put it up, and then the photographers have all just taken position back on that little stand, that little rock up there. So hopefully we'll get a bit more noise. Look at that. Said I just learned not to drop any fish finger butty when you've got a fat Labrador in the van. Because he's just snaffled it all up. And the van is a mess because he's at his tennis ball on the way up. We managed to find this because Kieran and Alice put it in the video. I think I've said that 19 times now. But what they did say was they used what 3 words, and we tracked this by using the what 3 words that they said. So I can't remember what it was, but I'll put it on the screen now, because if nothing else, it's just worth a quick brew stop. Something coming here, isn't there? Or is it landing?
I don't see it now, it's coming up.
There she is. It's pretty mega. Can't beat a noisy plane. Anglesey on a campsite in 2021. How unique is that? And we booked this site. It's a Caravan and Motorhome club site, and we joined a few weeks ago. First one we've been to here, but we chose this one because there's two in Anglesey. This one has got a toilet block. Nice big toilet block there. Shut. So we have to use our porta-potty to pee and poo in.
Glass.
You'll have a glass, babe. We wait us. Fetching a beer. She's gone to get a glass for our Peroni. Right, boy. That is Oscar with a cow's hoof full of frozen raw tripe. Check out that drool. Turns out there's no toilet facilities because it's a Welsh government thing. So English sites are allowed to open the toilets, but the Welsh ones aren't. So we've had to actually use something we bought. It is the Porta-potty Cube 335. Oh, sorry, love.
Good old Thetford.
We currently, how many beers have we had? 40. Currently 4 beers in. I think we used the toilet 7 times. It's an absolute godsend to not have to go all the way to the toilet block for a piss. Get one.
But we've got to put the toilet tent up soon, and that will be scary. We've never used it before.
Yeah, we don't fancy putting the toilet tent up. Just feel a bit weird because everybody else has got a caravan and motorhome. There's only one toilet tent on the whole site.
Maybe we'll piss like Oscar and be proud.
Sarah doesn't like me. She burnt me toast.
I'm going to throw it on top of the bin.
Let's have a look at yours, love.
This is yours, love.
That's yours. Hey. That's mine on top of the bin. Good job we've had enough beers to forget about it.
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
Forget about it.
First night on camp. Result. 5 beers. 4. Just cooking up a... Was it 4? 24 beers.
I wanted 5, but Alan only wanted 4.
And we're having a cheese toasty, followed by chocolate and crisp. Maybe a little bit of TV. Isn't it?
Yeah, baby.
Needed to make a bit of space on the floor. So we just put Peter Potty on the front seat. Does anyone else have an audience when they're eating? No. It's recording.
You're right.
It's recording.
I can't see.
6:40 in the morning.
Sure.
It is.
That's it.
We had a pretty broken night's sleep. It did rain quite a lot. There was a cockerel voicing its opinion at 4 a.m. And then there's the we're not used to sleeping in this bed syndrome.
It was freezing.
It was quite cold last night as well, yeah. We didn't bring the down sleeping bags or even the down quilt.
Or the thermal wrap.
Or the thermal wrap. So we were a bit underprepared. But it's sunny again. So what we're going to do today is have a quick bite to eat and then find a nice beach to go and explore. Okay?
Mm.
What are you eating, dog? Come here. In your bed. This is how creative we are. So what did we have for dinner yesterday? We had bread with fish fingers on the Ridge Monkey. Then last night we had cheese on toast on the Ridge Monkey. And then this morning we're having just buttered toast on the Ridge Monkey.
But the Ridge Monkey makes the best toast in the world.
It does make good toast, yeah. So a couple of months ago, I think it was, we were contacted by this company on Instagram, just saying, do you want to test something out for us? And people get like thousands of pounds worth of kit. This guy gave us a toothbrush. He gives a few other bits as well, like a little shopping bag and what have you, but I think it was more along the lines of just give us some sort of feedback to see what the quality of the stuff's like. So today we're going to use this bamboo toothbrush for the first time. Never used one of these before, always been a typical plastic toothbrush user, but willing to find out what it's like. Good to check. Good, isn't it?
Yeah, that's good then.
So maiden voyage with the bamboo, wood type, whatever it is, toothbrush. It was a belter, but bristles are really good. Worth a treat. This is what else they gave us, just a little shopping bag and then some little wooden spoons. I think it's more of an idea to just give us, for us to give them a bit of feedback to say whether they're garbage or not, which they're not, they're pretty decent. And I think they're going to do lots of other bits and bobs in the future, but they're on Instagram and that's the logo you need to keep an eye out for. Van Life Essentials. Cracking lad. We've just experienced something we've never experienced before. We had to do number 2 in the bog, and we're currently emptying it, aren't we, Ben?
Yeah,
Enjoying yourself?
yeah.
Hey, having a good time?
Loving life. That was fun.
Sarah's just cheered.
Yeah.
Because we finally got a slippery little submarine out that didn't want to come out. So it is Saturday morning, 10:30, ready to go to Lligwy beach, and we decided we're getting a motorhome, aren't we, love?
Yeah.
With a proper toilet that mind you, in a motorhome you still have to empty them, don't you?
We're gonna get a hotel.
Yeah. We're gonna get a holiday home in every town. That was
It was hilarious.
that was an experience. It was like hunt the submarine.
Good job I do it in work, innit? So it doesn't bother
So
me.
yeah, we're going to the beach to cleanse our minds.
And our bodies.
Lligwy Beach car park is open. It looks like the cafe's open because there's a queue. The toilets are open. The sun's out. And this is what it looks like.
decided to leave the beach. We're gonna nip to McDonald's en route to Alan's mum and dad's house in Conwy. So the next part of the adventure. So we thought it was a good idea to go to McDonald's because we were starving.
Feed the man flu.
Feed the man flu. But big mistake. Huge. Massive. Look at the fucking queue, man.
Ah, you swore on tube, you.
But we're that fucking hungry, we're waiting.